Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. It was very hot today, so we decided to visit a hidden waterfall, which was just few kilometers away from my home. I live in Balijan, so the waterfall is located in Balijan itself. It was just few kilometers away from the main town. Finally, we reached the destination. This is the waterfall. It was very beautiful. The water was very fresh and clean. We also roasted some chicken. I don't know why, but before leaving, I decided to dip in the water. Thank you for watching.